Hi, I'm Duke BossaNova.
And I'm Lola BossaNova.
And today on BossaNova Life, the vintage barbecue is back. I know about a year and a half ago, we did a video unboxing this beast. A friend of ours had found it brand new in the box, never opened since the 50s, so it's over 75 years old. We made some dishes, and you guys asked us to do some more. It's taken a little bit of time.
But we are here.
But here we are.
And we found some good little recipes. So, the patio partner. It's our little barbecue cookbook. Look at that guy. Look, that's Duke.
It is. It's totally me. So we found ourselves multiple vintage barbecue cookbooks. We're going to be using this one today. We're going to be trying out some of the crazier recipes. So what is the one that we're going to be trying out today, Lola?
So today we are trying pancakes and beer.
Who doesn't like pancakes and beer?
Yeah, I'm going to whip up the batter, and they recommend that you pair it with some barbecue sausage.
Of course.
And when I'm taste testing this, I shall have a beer.
It's pancakes and
beer. Yeah. On this little deal, all of his stuff is funny, we combine about 1/3 cup of warm or stale beer with 1/3 cup oil, 2 well-beaten eggs, and 2 cups of milk. Mix this together until it is frothy and set aside.
Frothy and set aside.
Then combine 3 cups of sifted flour with 4 tablespoons baking powder, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon mace, and a pinch of salt. Fold this dry mixture into the liquids and beat the devil out of the batter until the whole thing is smooth.
Wait a second. Are you supposed to fold things, which is the gentle thing,
We usually gently fold in items, but
and then we're gonna beat the devil out of it afterwards.
Beat the devil out of it.
Hey, sometimes you gotta be a little, love them softly, love them sweetly.
Spoon it onto a hot griddle, placed on top of your barbecue unit.
All right, we were expecting to be back within 30 minutes?
Yeah, not that long.
It's been about an hour and a half, actually, that we've been working on this. Sausages finally prepared.
Yes.
Everything else. But when you're working with charcoal grill, which we do prefer better than gas.
And this little grill is charcoal.
Yeah, that's right. You've got some issues. One is you got to heat up the charcoal. Then we had to grill all the sausages first before we can even start on the pancake.
Yeah.
And now the issue we've been having is that it is so hot on the skillet, still from the charcoal briquettes, that you're concerned about the pancakes.
They're working so hard, those briquettes.
So I will let people know that this particular recipe is not a quick one and done.
Well, let's see how this goes. We want to do barbecue brunch. Yeah, so we're going to make it work. So I'm going to try to do these pancakes. Bear with me, because I don't know how this is going to go. Ooh, it's not burning yet. You were so worried about this pan.
Well, we cooled it down for a little bit, didn't we?
We did.
Get our beer and pancake on.
Yeah, and sausage. I'm gonna put my sunglasses back on because this is bright. It's bright out here.
Look at me like this and say, and sausage.
And sausage. So, let's come on over. Look at all those nice little bubbles popping on the top. Take a look at the bottom. It looks good and golden. Let's try this. Oh, it could have been a little more golden, but turn it away from me. I can. Oop, I didn't.
Look at that perfection.
Oh, not quite perfection. Internet, don't judge me. They look kind of pretty. They'll probably taste good.
Hey, when you're drinking beer with your pancakes,
when you're having brunch on the barbecue, the 50s, 60s way.
And it takes an hour and a half to make.
It takes way too long. You're starving. You'll eat anything. So
this is true. This is true.
Yeah, and then you throw some beer in there, and then everyone's happy.
All right, Lola says that they're done. I want that one. I think
yeah, Duke's gonna have this big floofy one.
It's definitely got more charcoal underneath that one. So
yeah.
That's the floofy one, as you call it.
Look at that, guys. I mean, they're not the prettiest pancakes, but They will do. How we're gonna plate it up, because this is what it says in our little cookbook. It says to serve with lots of butter. This is fabulous with barbecue sausage. We got those. Be sure to use plenty of butter on these pancakes, and should you want to spice this up a bit, use a sour cranapple jelly for the topping. So let's get this pancake. What's the better side of the pancake? Ooh, they're both pretty. The butter has been sitting in the sun way too long. It's very, very melty, but that's good. We want melty butter.
Okay, this is why we don't do food cooking shows. It's not our regular.
We're not experts in any way. And I couldn't find cran apple jelly, so I just got regular old apple jelly. So Duke's gonna get this pancake. Ooh, I got jelly. I got butter in the jelly.
That too much jelly for Duke.
Too much jelly for Duke.
I like the jelly. I was like, what's going on there?
Okay, so we've got our sausage.
Oh,
we're gonna have Duke wrap it up. Okay, so Duke's going in.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid. We're gonna have to do this. Oh, it's very, very soft. Very, very airy. That's all I'm gonna say about it. I don't think I can do this.
Airy pancakes. Oh boy. These might not be the best thing to eat on the patio.
Oh my gosh.
Is it good though?
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Oh, was it the apple jelly? Is that what made it amazing?
I don't know what makes it amazing.
Is it my pancake? Please say it's my pancake.
Well, pancakes are good, the jelly's good.
Is it the beer? Duke likes.
Oh my gosh.
When I saw this like brunch
Okay, I gotta put
barbecue recipe, we should have brought napkins out here, shouldn't we?
Oh my gosh, that is insanity, actually. Is it worth waiting for? I don't know. I feel like I could have created the same thing maybe on a stovetop in the house.
Or figured out a different way to do it. Maybe grill on a hibachi and then have a gas grill.
I don't know. That is good though. That is really good. Sausages with pancakes and that apple. That is ridiculous. I'm gonna have to get back to that. The only downsides, pancake doesn't really have the consistency like the one holding. It wants to fall apart in your hand as you're eating it.
Picking the poofier pancake may have been bad. Maybe I should have.
You might want to eat it with a fork. Is what I'm saying. And maybe you want to cut the pancake. I would say cut the sausages up in the pieces and then put it on the pancake.
But you lose the hot dog situation.
It's going to be good. It's going to be good.
It's going to be good. Okay.
All right. Well, I had a great time as always.
Yes.
This was amazing. A little crazy this time.
It was a little crazy. It was real crazy actually.
Did you say it was real crazy?
But in the end, we got some good sausage, some good pancakes, some beer.
Did you get some good sausage, Lola?
Yeah, mine's right there. I'll eat it after this is all done.
I haven't even had the beer yet, and it's already amazing.
The patio daddy-o.
All right, we're good. We good.
Okay.
We good. It's all good.
It's all good.
Vintage 1950s barbecue. You've been asking for it, and we're gonna deliver.
Good. Duke's gonna make us some delicious food and I'm gonna eat it.
Let's try it one more time.
Okay.
What's up?